Hi, today I'm showing you how to unblock phone number on your Realme 6i. First of all, go into phone apps, then into right corner on the top, click block and filter. And then one more time in the right corner, click and choose set rules. Then choose blocklist option. And here we got a blocked number. So for unblock, click in the right corner on the top, click edit, select and click remove. Confirm, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.